Hi, my name is Brandon Valdez.
And I'm Jacob Chi, and we did the achondroplasia disorder, also known as dwarfism.
Achondroplasia is a disorder that causes disruption of growth to a child. This was first discovered in 1997 by Pierre Mirotax, and this occurs in the FGFR3 gene. Pierre was a scientist and a physician that found the mutation between genetic conditions and parental micromelik of the patients.
Moving on to the next slide, achondroplasia is an autosomal gene mutation. This basically means that the gene for dwarfism is dominant over the gene of having a normal height. Assuming that both parents are heterozygous, they have a 50% chance of creating a kid with dwarfism and a 25% chance of creating a normal kid, and another 25% chance of the kid being homozygous dominant, which results in the child's death.
Moving on to the next slide. In order for an individual to get achondroplasia, they have to inherit it from their mom or dad. To determine if your child has this mutation before they are born, the mom has to receive an ultrasound or physical examination. It's impossible for a child to get dwarfism if two individuals with normal height have a child. Anyone is prone to getting achondroplasia.
Moving on, unfortunately, at the moment, there is no current treatment for the disorder. There is no way to prevent the disorder since it's a mutation. Treating someone with dwarfism is the same as any other child, other than the fact that they have shorter limbs. Socially, however, people with achondroplasia feel discriminated because they are not the same as other normal people. In the medical community, achondroplasia is being tested for ways to make the person taller, and experiments like limb stretching or bone addition are being added. Some supportive groups that help people with achondroplasia have a better subconscious include Legal People of America, New Zealand, and UK.
One celebrity that has this condition is Peter Dinklage. He plays a big role in the TV series Game of Thrones. He has been a huge success throughout his life, starring in various movies and TV shows, making a large amount of money. This has been our presentation about the mutation achondroplasia. Hope you enjoyed.